Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is series of internet and this is part 11. So let's begin this session. Cyber security and crime. Today, cyber crime causes huge problem by exploiting vulnerabilities in hardware and software of machine. Next world war may be a cyber war. Cyber war is not as physical or visible as conventional warfare, but we are seeing an upward trend of advanced cyber attacks targeting countries and governments. Next World War may not be fought with traditional weapons, but with computers used to shut down national water supplies, transportation system, etc. What is computer virus? Computer virus works similar to biological virus. A virus is an executable program that gets installed, usually unintentionally, and harm the user and their computer. It is also possible for virus to spread itself to other computers. How does a virus infect? There are several ways an attacker can infect someone's computer. Let's understand their major types. Install virus program. A computer user itself can intentionally or unintentionally install program with deception. For example, lot of fake security updates. Computer software itself can have vulnerability, so an attacker can itself install without even needing explicit permission. Once virus is on your computer, it can steal or delete any of your files or even allow someone to remotely control your computer. Second type is a phishing scam. In this, cyber criminals can send large amount of spam emails in an attempt to trick people into sharing sensitive personal information. Note: 90% of the time a system gets hacked not because of the security bug but because of simple mistake made by human. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.